anake anini na aria marakere mubango-ini wa kana mubango-ini na uria uragiterefu guku bururi-ini ni munini wa mutumia wa munini wa mutongoria wa bururi ni Pastor Dorcas ni maikoretwo makiamukira maratathi mao ma wagiriru. Anake acio aria ni 89 makoretwo rungu rwa mutaratara ucio kwa ihinda aria mieri 3 mwena wa Timau county ya Meru orodumwe na Donholm guku county ya Nairobi kiari igongona-ini iria gutuga anake aya na maratathi ma gukinyanira mucini gwake mwena wa Karen. Pastor Dorcas ni eranĩire gũtambia mutaratara uyu county-ini ciothe 47 guku bururi-ini.
Pastor Dorcas Rigathi.
My office has a record of more than 2,000 individuals who wish to undergo rehabilitation. Our approach to rehabilitation takes various forms, encompassing the ongoing inpatient rehabilitation at Rimuru, the wellness camp at the ASK showground, where we have 85 who are already going through that, and other rehabilitation centers. There is also the ongoing outpatient and community-based rehabilitation programs in Kiambu, in Bomet, and Mombasa counties. This only seemed to be in a location where we decided to do a pilot. So they are from Nairobi and Mount Kenya. And some of those ones who are in Mount Kenya, you can ask, you'll find that they will stand. Some are from Kisumu. Ni kweli? Yeah, so we are not doing in one area, but there must be, every journey starts with one step. And we had to start some.
So, graduates, first, I thank you also, I congratulate you for mlivumilia within sana sana sana. And tuliwaambia mtasikia hivi na hivi na hivi, but kuna wengine wasikia they were feeling like they can jump over the fence. But mlivumilia yote, and that's why today you are here to do what? To celebrate.
And when I saw those young men come here and sing, and then I saw their image, how they looked like when they were going for the rehab, and how they are today, I can see the hand of God.
When you rose to speak, all our faces were filled with hope, because you promised us full support, and true, we have witnessed. We finally arrived at Timau Holy Innocent Spaces Center, and within the first week of stay, so many things happened. We came to realize that we were powerless and our lives had become unmanageable.
Mama Dorcas! Mama Dorcas!